Hi there, it's Claire to Zero here, and I wanted to jump into your inbox today and share another mindset hack and way that you can slow down to go faster. If you've been watching these videos or you've been around here for a while, you'll probably be sick of us saying that, but it's one of our favourite things to say. And tools that will help you slow down to go faster where it's at. So this week we wanted to share with you something that we do at Top 5 Movement every single week on a Friday to help us kind of wind down the working week and wind up to be really present and available over the weekend for our loved ones and for ourselves as well, which is so important. So why we do this hack is because it gives us that chance to slow down, to go faster. Yeah, I know I've said it again, to train our brains to connect in more with the week that has been and the week coming up. Also gives us a chance to actually connect in with the progress we've made, because in this never-ending busy world, sometimes that stuff can be missed and lost with our long to-do lists as well. And it also gives us a chance to set ourselves up for the following week. So what is this hack? It's simply doing a weekly report. It's actually sitting down, parking technology, printing out a free template, which we've made for you and have included the links below too, and actually just capturing the wins for the week, the opportunities that you've had, the lessons, and also just quickly jotting down the 5 most important things to focus on next week. So this process not only gives you that chance to reflect on the success it's been, but also lets you kind of know and get a jump start on your focus for the next week. So you can wind down, enjoy the weekend, and know that when you hit the desk or your office or your work on the Monday morning or after your weekend, that you know that list is there ready for you. It's got you, it's got your back, it's ready to kind of set you up for success and get you going next week, to give you that head start, but also to give you that space over the weekend. So print out the worksheet, you'll find the links below, and have some fun with it. I'd love to hear how it goes. Thanks.